Pure development Q is a fish-based economy where you sell the fish you catch to a currency. However, to get a fishing rod, you need to pay at least $1 if you want to buy a rod from the shops in Q. Reading the works of Adam Smith, John Maynard Keynes, and Karl Marx, I've come up with an ultimate mastermind plan to obtain a fishing rod. So there we have it, the ultimate strategy to getting a fishing rod, asking. With this new and critical information, you better like and subscribe, otherwise you're mad because you're bad.